Hello everyone. I hope all of you are healthy and safe. While most businesses across the world and across the country are dealing with the lockdown, the governments are taking all the necessary steps they can to ease the conditions for survival of our small businesses. Recently, in the month of May, our finance minister made some important announcements that impact small and medium businesses across the country. I will quickly summarize some of them for you so that you can make the best use of these schemes during these testing times. In total, I will talk about 5 announcements. First, the classification of micro, small and medium enterprises has been harmonized. This helps in simpler categorization of your organization by various financing institutions and lets them appropriately offer you a relevant and a meaningful product. Now, what are these classifications? 1. Micro enterprises. These are businesses with total investment of less than rupees 1 crore and a total annual turnover of less than rupees 5 crore. 2. Small enterprises. These are businesses with total investment of less than 10 crore and annual turnover of less than 50 crore. Third, medium enterprises. These are businesses with investment of less than 20 crore and annual turnover of less than 100 crore. The second scheme that was announced is this. The government has made a provision for providing collateral-free loans to micro, small and medium enterprises. In total, these loans will be offered to the tune of rupees 3 lakh crore under this scheme. These will be a 4-year loan and no principal repayment is required in the first year. If you have an annual turnover of less than rupees 100 crore and total borrowings of less than rupees 25 crore, you can avail fresh loan under this scheme. This scheme is open till 31st of October 2020 and we urge you to contact your financing institution to know more details about such loans and your eligibility. The third scheme is for MSMEs which are under stress and their accounts are NPA, which is non-performing, with various financing institutions. The government will provide support to such micro, small and medium enterprises. Rupees 20,000 crore has been provided under this scheme and your financing institution will be able to guide you further with details on your eligibility and the relief that can be taken. Fourth scheme is you can now participate in government tenders and contracts under the government's focus on allowing small and medium domestic enterprises to supply goods and services to the government directly. We urge you to keep watching out for any government notification for any such future contracts. Fifth, if you are required to deduct provident fund from your employees' salaries, the government has provided certain benefits. First, the reduced rate of provident fund deduction is now at 10% for the next 3 months compared to 12% earlier. Second, if your employees are covered under the Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan package, the EPF payments will also be made by the government for 3 months from June to August. This brings me to the end of the list. I hope that you are able to take the most benefit under these schemes and make good use of the provisions that the government has made for all of us. Stay healthy, stay safe, and thank you.